watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
It's all a matter of location this evening. Some areas seeing some light snow, especially to the north of, say, the M46, M20 corridor. Areas to the south looking at some light rain showers right now, even a couple of thunderstorms. The National Weather Service just put out a significant weather advisory on this batch of storms right here. Now, the interesting part is these race to the east and northeast between 45 and 55 miles an hour. Not only could you see lightning, but also some sleet or hail mixing in, and just to the north of there, we have some snow, and we just received notice that very shortly they're going to come out with a winter weather advisory for Oceana, Mecosta, as well as Newaygo County for this evening and at least part of the overnight hours. Now, I've expanded the view out. We've got this area to the north, which is going to contribute to some heavy rainfall and also that snow for northern and central portions of the state. We've got this area to the south, which could contribute to some severe weather. We've not only got tornado watch boxes there, but also severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for some of those areas. Now, this location near Peoria, if I can drag it out here, may clip our southern counties in, say, the next 5.5 to 6 hours. That is certainly a possibility. That's where we do have that slight risk for some severe weather. Here to the north, this likely would not be severe, but making it into, say, the Muskegon area in the next 3 to 4 hours. And in addition to that, we are in the slight risk area for severe weather, say about Saugatuck to St. John's and south. Now, this runs into the early overnight time frame. It's not impossible we could have some severe weather here, maybe some marginally severe hail reports for our southern counties, but I do think the best threat for that is a little bit farther to the south. Right now, in place, actual air temps only holding in the mid to upper 30s, winds howling out of the east. It's a, gosh, look at this, latest sustained wind in Grand Rapids, 28 miles an hour, about 15 to 30 in general, with some wind gusts upwards of about 35 miles an hour, and that's driven wind chills into the 20s. So really not all that pleasant of an evening outside. Here's how it's going to look for us. These scattered showers and storms in place at 6 o'clock. The wind stays strong here at midnight out of the northeast. Look at these temps, though, still holding in the upper 30s to near 40. May have to watch to see if part of that line can sneak into our southern counties. We'll keep a close eye on that this evening and through the early overnight. But by tomorrow, some pinks and blues showing up again, indicating that slight mix of precipitation. As it is coming to an end, I think most of us do dry things out by the time we get to, say, early afternoon tomorrow. It'll stay breezy, and then some breaks slowly develop in the cloud cover. Highs tomorrow, though, only in the low to mid 40s. Thursday looks like the nicest day of the week. We're in the low to mid 50s with partly cloudy skies. And as is typical with an active weather pattern, the next storm system coming in Friday, especially Friday night into early Saturday. And this is a holiday weekend, Easter coming on Sunday. At this point, we would be dry on Easter Sunday morning for all the Easter egg hunts.
Where things stand right now.
Where things stand right now. It's active. Things move pretty quick, so we have to keep a really close eye on it. But at this point, the second half of the weekend looking drier than the first half.
All right. Thanks, Laura.